When it comes to feeling vibrant and full of energy, one organ plays a bigger role than most people realize. Can you guess it? Correct, your liver. This incredible powerhouse is responsible for filtering toxins, balancing hormones, aiding digestion, and fueling your body with clean, usable energy. But here's the truth: modern life doesn't make things easy for it. Processed foods, environmental toxins, stress, alcohol, and even everyday pollutants can overload your liver, leaving you feeling drained, foggy, or just not yourself. That's why supporting your liver is one of the smartest steps you can take for your overall health. And that's exactly what New Liver is designed to do. It's a powerful yet gentle formula that helps detoxify your system, while at the same time nourishing and rebuilding your liver so it can function at its best. Think of it as giving your liver a tune-up. It clears out the clutter and strengthens the engine so you run smoother. When your liver is thriving, the benefits ripple through your entire body. You may notice your energy lifting, your digestion improving, your skin looking clearer, and even your mood balancing out. That's because a healthy liver doesn't just process toxins. It also supports better nutrient absorption, hormonal balance, and metabolic function. And here's the exciting part. When your liver is supported, you feel it. Instead of fighting through fatigue or brain fog, you have clarity and vitality that carry you through your day. Instead of feeling weighed down, you feel lighter and more resilient. New Liver is about more than just detox. It's about renewal. It helps restore your liver to optimal performance so you can experience what your body is truly capable of. When you give your liver the support it deserves, you give yourself the gift of energy, balance, and vitality. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!